Asad is the lion, Zarafa is the giraffe, Shabal is the cub. Wait, what
Yes.
is that? I can't see.
Yes, the little lion. Shibl, it's shibl.
The rhino is Khiratin.
Rhino. Khirtit, rhino. Okay.
Feel is the elephant. Zib is the wolf.
It's the zib.
Zib is the wolf.
Yes.
Is the bear. Salab is the fox.
Okay. Namir. It's namir.
Namr is
No, it's namir. It's namir.
tiger.
Okay.
Namir.
Okay, better memorize these words. I'm just waiting for you. You have your time and memorize
Asad
these.
is the lion. Zarafa is the giraffe. Dub is the bear. Salab is the fox. Khirtit is the rhino.
Khirtit.
Khirtit is the rhino. Shabal is the cub.
Shibl. Beta, it's shibl, not shabal. Shibl.
Shibal is the cub. Feel is the elephant. Dub is the wolf. And Namir is the tiger. Okay.
Okay, it's done. Okay. What's this?
Hamad is the donkey. Kalb is the dog.
Okay.
Hisan is the horse. And Jamal is the donkey. Camel.
Yes. Okay.
Qird is the monkey. Far is the mouse.
No, it's far, mouse.
Fa'ar is the mouse.
Okay.
Baqara is the cow.
Okay.
Ghazal is the gazelle.
Oh, yes, deer or gazelle use.
Qitta is the cat. Zil is the shadow.
Okay, now memorize these.
Himar is the donkey. Hisan is the horse. Qird is the monkey. Kalb is the dog. Jamal is the camel. Far is the mice.
Fa'ar, beta, it's fa'ar, not fur.
Fa'ar is the mouse. Qitta is the cat. Ghazal is the gazelle. Baqara is the cow. And Zil is the shadow.
Okay, now.
Naama is the ostrich. Ghurab is the bird.
No, it's crow.
Crow. The Ghurab is the crow. Tawus is the
peacock.
What's it called? A peacock. Yeah. Deep is the chicken.
Is the cock.
The rooster.
It's the cock.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah. Usfur is the bird.
No, usfur is sparrow.
Sparrow. What's tuyur?
Tuyur is the birds. It's the plural.
Tuyur is the birds.
Okay. Qafas.
Qafas is the cage.
Okay. Haris
is like zookeeper.
Yes. Reesh.
Reesh is the
feather.
Egg?
No, it's the feather. Where do you see the egg? It's the feather.
I thought his legs were the egg.
Okay. This
Veil is the tail.
No, it's Zail.
Veil is the tail.
Okay, now read these bit.
Okay. So, ostrich is Nu'ama, Tawus is the peacock. Usfur is the
Sparrow.
Ghurab is the crow. Deek is the cock. Tuyur is the birds. Qafs is the cage. Haris is the zookeeper. Rish is the feathers. Zeel is the Dail is the
Tail.
tail.
Zail. Okay, beta, now you can read one time again.
Okay. Timsah is crocodile. Thuraban is snake. Asad is lion. Shabal is cub. Feel is giraffe. Not giraffes, elephant. Zarafa is giraffe. Khirtit is rhino. Dhib is
Dhib, beta, it's dhib.
Dhi'ib is wolf. Namir is tiger. Tha'lab is fox. Dub is bear.
Okay.
Himmar is donkey. Hisan is horse. Qard is monkey. Kelb is dog. Jamal is camel. Far is mouse. Qatta is cat. Ghazal is gazelle. Baqara is cow. And Dil is shadow. Naama is the ostrich. Tawus is the peacock. Usfur is the what's usfur?
Sparrow.
Sparrow. Ghurab is the crow. Deek is the cock. Tuyur is the birds. Puffs is the cage. Haros is the zookeeper. Rish is the feather. And Zail is the tail.
Okay, let's start it now. Okay, let's start the first line.
Okay. Ghazal is a gazelle.
From Asad, beta.
Himmar is donkey.
Asad, the first word is.
I didn't see Asad, sorry. I didn't see
Okay.
Asad. Asad is lion. Ghazal is gazelle. Himmar is donkey. Tawus is peacock. Haris. Haris.
Zookeeper, beta.
Zookeeper. Shibal is the Shibal. What Shibal?
Shiv. Cub, beta. Cub. Little lion.
Cub. Baqara is the cow. Haywana.
حيوانات. حديقة الحيوانات, the first word.
Oh, the zoo.
No, not the zoo. حيوانات is the animals. حديقة الحيوانات, that is the zoo.
Animals.
Okay.
Namar is
Namir.
Namir is the tiger. Zarafa is the giraffe. Usfur is the crow. No, not crow.
Not the crow. It's kind of bird.
Yeah, I forgot its name.
Sparrow.
Khirtit is let me think. I know this one. Khirtit.
The bigger animal, beta. What was that?
I know it.
Rhino.
Dub is the bear. Dail is the Zail. Oh yeah. Zail.
Zail of mouse.
Zail was mouse.
No. Zail of mouse, I said. What was that? The last
tail,
word.
tail.
Yes.
Tail. Rish was the cage, I think.
No, not the cage. Rish of cock.
Feather.
Yeah. Okay. Far.
Far was the mouse.
Yes.
Jamal is the camel. Thurban is the fox.
No,
Diq is
not the fox. Soban is something else.
Thurban is the snake. Thurban
Okay.
is the snake. Diq is the cock. Zib. Zib. Oh. Zib.
Hmm.
What was Zib?
I don't know. Zib. The wolf.
Yeah, what was Wolf. Timsah was the crocodile. Tuyur was the
Tuyur. It's the plural.
oh, and it's the birds. Kelb is the dog.
Okay.
Qird.
Monkey.
Hisan is the horse. Naama was the cage.
No, not the cage. Qafas is the cage. Naama is
Yeah. Naama is the Naama. I don't remember.
Ostrich.
Ostrich. Thurlab is the fox. Ghurab is the dog. And Zil is
No, what was ghurab?
yeah. That's what I'm thinking. What is Ghurab?
Kind of bird.
Oh, crow.
Yes.
And then Zil. Zil is. Oh, Zil is shadow. And Qitta is cat.
Okay. Let's take then. What is Namir from these three?
The second one.
Okay, and Hisan from these?
The first one.
And Jamal from these?
First one.
Okay, and Timsah?
Second one.
Good. Okay, now quickly read these words, yes.
Hayawan.
Or I think you have to choose the first word from these four next. Like Haywanat, it's you can find it from these four. Like here it's okay. Like the first word, the first column you will find it from the next four columns. Okay. Where is Usfur?
Asfur is the last one at the end.
Okay. Tuyur.
Tuyur is the first one.
Tawus.
Is the second one.
Saban.
Third one.
Zib.
Last one.
Okay, now read these with the translation.
Al-Sadu fi
Oh, what do you
al-Qafas.
read, beta? Al-Asad. It's not al-Asd.
Oh, yeah. Al-Asadu fi al-Qafas.
Mm-hmm.
The lion and who's Qafas? The wolf?
No, the cage. But you
The
should
lion is in the cage.
read like this. Al-Asadu fil qafas, not fi al-qafas. Fil qafas. Okay?
Fil Qafas, okay.
Okay, the next.
Al-Harisu fil Qafas.
Mm-hmm.
Haris. Who was Haris?
I told you in the exercises.
Haris.
The zookeeper. Huh?
The zookeeper. And then Al-Fil fil
Okay,
Qafas is
how do you translate this lion? Al-Harisu fil qafas.
The zookeeper is in the cage.
Okay, next. Grab.
Al-Fil fil Qafas. The elephant is in the cage. الأسد
الأسد.
في القفص. The lion is in the cage.
Okay. I think this is the same like the first line. You will find it from the next three. النمر يأكل اللحوم. What do you mean by this?
The
النمر.
tiger is
What is luhum? We read it in the previous chapters. Luhum, the meat.
The where?
Meat. Tiger eats the meat.
The tiger eats the meat.
Okay.
The tiger, النمر يأكل الدجاج. The tiger eats the chicken.
Okay. The last one. النمر يشرب الماء.
The tiger drinks water.
Okay. The last column.
العصفور فوق الفيل. عصفور is the.
What is usfur? You forgot this in the exercises. Sparrow. Yes. Okay.
The sparrow was with the elephant.
No, fauqa means on the. So the sparrow is on the elephant.
The sparrow was on the elephant. عصفور فوق الفيل. The sparrow is on the elephant. القط فوق الفيل. The cat is on the elephant. العصفور أمام الفيل. The sparrow أمام, what does that mean?
We read this in the previous chapter. The sentence was السلم أمام الطائرة. The stairs are in front of the plane.
Oh, the sparrow was in front of the elephant.
Okay, read these words. Va.
ذل ظهر ظفر مذلة.
Okay, now read these words parallel. Turus, durus.
دروس رضع حد ستر ساتر مد
متى.
بيت مدى بيت بيد.
Okay. Now these.
حارس في قفص. حارس أمام.
Okay, translate these also. Oh, okay. You have to tell me what is the correct sentence with respect to this picture.
حارس في قفص. The first one.
First one says that the zookeeper is in the cage. Is he?
No. He's not in the cage. It's the second one.
Yes. Harisun amama qafas. The zookeeper is in front of the cage. Okay. The next one.
Jamalun wafil.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. Now.
المدرس أمام السبورة. The school.
Al-Mudarris, the teacher.
The teacher is in front of
Board.
the board. المدرس وراء خريطة. The teacher.
What is kharita? The map. The teacher is behind the map.
Yeah. الكتاب تحت المكتب. The book is in the library.
No, not the library. Al-maktab is the table. The book is under the
Book
table.
is on the table. The book is under the table.
Al-midallatu.
المظلة فوق الكرسي.
The
What is مظلة?
umbrella.
The umbrella is on the chair.
Okay, this is the revision of the previous all chapters. So inshallah, this 12th chapter inshallah will take in the next class, and it will be our revision. Okay, beta, now Zuhair can come for the class, but quickly.
Okay.
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.